I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Menteri Sorkar Badairu unang yalam keseng UDP ubak po Lyngdoh ulong bak Jingtyrwa ke Sorkar bak Siew Tulop yaki Nongtrei ke Autonomous District Council kadei ke plan banyarap pisah Wanrah Jingkylla ke Jingthmu ban khanglat ke Jingtyrwa ke Pelatengka juga District Council. Habakran gelat patai kubor ubak po Lyngdoh hak arpu pratrik unailar arhajar arpusan ulong bak Jingtyrwa ke Sorkar kamdei ke cek ke bam kedau yakatno ke pisah ndake Jingkershan da ke kendon badan kam baki ADC Wanrah ke Jingkylla ke rukom trekam. Ubak po Lyngdoh ulong bak Sorkar Jingtyrwa ban Kershan pisah yaki Autonomous District Council. Bat maki pat ken hab ban penbet yaki Jingdon ke Nongtrei ban penklan yaki Jingpenmi pisah ban pentrekam yaki wei pat ke Jingkylla ke badan kam. Da ke bakado ba katukane ki Autonomous District Council kidai ke badan buan palat ke Nongtrei. Bat ke wei le ke don yaki Nongtrei palat yaka Syahajar Sans pangut. Ula banjur bagi Jingkershan ke Sorkar kadai ke badan bat gadon kendon ya ki Autonomous District Council bakin syim ya ke senjam kabadai ke Wanrah ke Jingkylla ke rukom trekam bat ke Jingpenmi pisah. Da ke boong ru ke Sorkar kamla ban syong klikti bat chupet ya ki Autonomous District Council bakin kalamno. Bat kani ke Jingthmu banerap bei pisah ke senjam ke badan kam ban khanglat ya kum kini ke Jingeh.
First and foremost, it's very important to distinguish between voluntary funding and something that is mandatory. In this case, what the government has offered is a reform-based bailout plan. I reiterate that point. Reform-based bailout plan. Because at least a couple of these ADCs are about to crumble financially. If they carry on with the current style of functioning and revenue collection and overstaffing, they will collapse in 3 to 4 years. So before we reach that point, this is an offer that you reform. For this reform, we are supporting you this much financially. For this particular reform, we are supporting you this much. For you to augment your revenue collection, government is supporting you this much. So it is reform based. You have to tick the right boxes. It's not a blank check that we're giving to the ADCs. We tell them that, for instance, why does an ADC need to have a staff strength of 1,500? There's no rationale, there's no justification. You cut it down by half. So to do that, government will support you so that you scale down that manpower. So I reiterate that it is a very positive move on the part of the state government because, as you know, a lot of what the ADCs do also depends on the support that the state government gives them. The revenue share from minerals, for instance. So we are interdependent, and in this case, wherever we find that the ADCs are about to reach a point of collapse, we would like to offer them a lifeline. And this is the lifeline that the cabinet has offered.